Hobby English Lab.
Welcome back to the Hobby English Lab. I am Mika.
And I am Alex. Good to have you here.
Today I have a small green problem.
A green problem sounds peaceful. Is it a plant problem?
Yes, I want to grow herbs at home, but I do not know what to ask at the shop.
Perfect. Gardening English is useful, gentle, and sometimes a little messy.
I can handle gentle. I am not sure about messy.
Then let us start at a gardening shop.
Hi, I am looking for some herbs to grow at home.
Sure. Do you want them for cooking?
Yes, I cook pasta and simple soups.
Basil and parsley are good choices.
Are they easy to take care of?
Yes, they need sunlight and regular water.
Can I grow them indoors?
Yes, if they get enough light.
Do I need a big pot?
No, a small pot is fine to start.
Great, I will try basil first.
Good choice. It smells wonderful.
I like this situation because the English is simple but very practical.
Yes. The first useful phrase is, I am looking for some herbs to grow at home.
I am looking for is a soft way to say what I want.
Exactly. I am looking for running shoes. I am looking for a gift. I am looking for a small pot.
Then the shop person asks, do you want them for cooking?
That question checks your purpose. For cooking, for decoration, for a balcony, for a classroom.
Purpose questions are helpful. They make the advice better.
Right. Then we hear, basil and parsley are good choices.
Good choices sounds friendly, not too strong.
Yes, it means these options are suitable.
My next question is important. Are they easy to take care of?
Very useful. Take care of means look after something regularly.
Take care of plants. Take care of a pet. Take care of my bicycle.
Exactly. With plants, we often talk about sunlight and water.
They need sunlight and regular water.
Regular water means not once and then goodbye forever.
My old plant heard that sentence and looked away.
Ha 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 ha. Many plants know this story.
Can I grow them indoors? That is useful too.
Yes, indoors means inside. Outdoors means outside.
If I live in an apartment, indoors is important.
Very important. And enough light means a good amount of light.
Not too dark, not a sad corner.
Exactly. A sad corner is not a plant dream.
Then, do I need a big pot?
Do I need is a superstar question. Do I need a big pot? Do I need gloves? Do I need special soil?
And a small pot is fine to start.
To start means at the beginning. It makes the advice less scary.
Good. I like beginner-friendly plant English.
Now, let us hear the gardening shop conversation again.
This time, listen for, I am looking for, easy to take care of, and indoors. Hi, I am looking for some herbs to grow at home.
Sure. Do you want them for cooking?
Yes, I cook pasta and simple soups.
Basil and parsley are good choices.
Are they easy to take care of?
Yes, they need sunlight and regular water.
Can I grow them indoors?
Yes, if they get enough light.
Do I need a big pot?
No, a small pot is fine to start.
Great, I will try basil first.
Good choice. It smells wonderful.
Great job. Today we practiced English for buying herbs at a gardening shop.
Remember, I am looking for is a useful way to start.
Are they easy to take care of? Can I grow them indoors?
And a small pot is fine to start.
Thanks for listening to Hobby English Lab. See you next time.